Hello everyone and welcome back to the Perfect French with Dylane. Today we are going to see the preposition dans. Dans has a lot of different meanings, some advanced, some beginner intermediate. Today we are going to focus on the beginner intermediate, which we can translate to in, on. I made a video last week about en. If you want to watch this one first and come back to this one because en and dans are often mistaken, so if you want to go back, the link for the video about en will be in the description box. And next week we are going to see the differences between en and dans in the same situation. Because I don't think dans and en are very hard to use separately, but I think that in the same situation, such as transportation and action, it's very confusing. So we'll see that next week. And finally, you can get the PDF for this lesson on my website, perfectfrench.com. The link will be in the description box. This lesson is going to be divided in 4 different points. The first one will be to describe the time before an action. The second one will be when we talk about decade. The third one will be to talk about a location when we translate to in English. And the last one will be to talk about the location as well when we translate it to on. The 4 sections have timing, so if you want to go from one to another, please do. So the first way that we have to use dans is when we talk about the time before an action. So from now to the beginning of the action. Je serai là dans une heure. Une heure. Je serai là dans une heure. Here, you will be there in an hour. Okay, so we are from now to the action, it's going to be dans une heure, in an hour. Let's see 2 more. Nous partons dans 15 minutes. Nous partons dans 15 minutes. We are leaving in 15 minutes. So we are still in the same spot for 15 minutes and then we are leaving. Dans 15 minutes. See a third one. Le dîner sera prêt dans 10 minutes. Le dîner sera prêt dans 10 minutes. Dinner will be ready in 10 minutes. Alright, so that was the time before an action. Now let's see when we talk about a decade. For example, you can say dans les années 50, in the 50s. Dans les années 50. Or, dans les années 80. Dans les années 80. Be careful that a very common mistake here is that people put a S at 50, 80, etc. It doesn't take a S. So you can let me know in the comment section, for example, when were you born? In what decade you were born? Try to make a sentence and I will make sure you got it right. The third way that we use dans is to talk about a location, translated like in English. So for the grammar for this one, we are going to have dans plus an article plus a noun. And it's always going to be that way, so don't forget the article. Let's see 2 sentences. Il est dans sa chambre. Il est dans sa chambre. Is in his bedroom. Another one. Le beurre est dans le frigo. Le beurre est dans le frigo. Butter is in the fridge. Now we've done the same way, but translated as on in English. Once again, we are going to say dans plus article plus noun. Don't forget the article. So it's very specific to transportation usually. We can say nous sommes dans le train. Nous sommes dans le train. We are on the train. Or nous sommes dans l'avion. Nous sommes dans l'avion. We are on the plane. That's it. I hope you understood everything about dans. Don't forget to come back next Monday for the video for en and dans. Don't forget to subscribe to not miss the video. Like this video, it really helped me. and I will see you soon for another lesson.